Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unlock iPhone 15 on the latest ISO 26.1. I'm going to fully bypass this iCloud account. iPhone locked it to owner and going to fully unlock this iPhone iCloud account. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you are interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can Telegram me on this number, or if you don't have WhatsApp and Telegram, you can email us on our email address. After buying the unlocking file, just you need to import the unlocking file to the 3G tool. 3G tool is a free tool for flashing any iPhone model, and just you need to import the unlocking file and select retain user data and start flashing. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depending on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. So you can see our flashing is started. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes and your iPhone will be unlocked. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me and buy the unlocking file. If you need any help, you can ask me any information about unlocking and how it's work, or how you can use this unlocking, or what are the limits. So I also tell you that our service is permanent. You can also update or reset. If you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. So don't miss 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. So like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount. So our flashing is almost there. It will take little bit time more. I have already fast forwarded the video so I can guide you step by step. So congratulations, our unlocking is completed and our phone is on. Now just you need to follow the steps to activate this phone. Don't worry if you're seeing any issue. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. You will see data and privacy option. It's mean the old iCloud is gone, so you will 100% see data and privacy option after flashing your phone with our unlocking file. Our Wi-Fi is already connected because we have selected retain user data, so our data is not deleted, so that's why our Wi-Fi is connected. You have to follow the steps to activate this phone. If you need any help, if you have any doubts, you can contact me on WhatsApp number or Telegram number, or you can email us on our email address. Location and services, setup later, continue, setup later, don't continue, and now you will see welcome to iPhone. Voila, our iPhone 15 is unlocked on the latest ISO 26.1. You can also enter the new iCloud account here. Everything is working fine and smooth. You can update or reset. You can enter the new iCloud account. You can enter the old iCloud account. Everything is working fine and normal. And you can see on our laptop, our phone is iCloud is unlocked and everything is working fine. I will also take a screenshot to put a thumbnail here. Okay guys, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.